Yeah, I wonder why you're going bald there, boy. Hello. Oh. Joey. Jojo. Jojo. Hello. Yeah. Who's cute, Joey? Wonder if it's... Yeah, probably just mating season, isn't it? Nan knows more about you than me. And Bolden bird, aren't you, boy?
Yeah, good boy, aren't you?
You gonna eat more of your apple?
Because I would have thought if he was pecking them, like, which you can't peck top of his head, he'd have more on his chest gone.
Well, I would imagine it was like he's scratching behind the ear or something.
Yeah.
Can I have more of your apple? Probably not.
New millet.
Just drop to the ground. Hello, bird boy. Bird girl. Don't know which gender you are. Hello. Hello, Joey. Gonna come over for some toast? No? Gonna go back up? Back in, is it? Oh, okay. Bought you toast. You not want toast? Oh. Bit disappointed. He got a mohawk. The bald bird got a mohawk. Sort of. Hello. Hello, Jojo.
First thing you want to smell after having food is not the armpit. It's like dirty armpit. That was Wednesday when I was having a go at Ella. I remember we were having that.
Hello.
Hello, baby girl. Come on then.
Someone's looking a bit bold.
You're going to take the stinky teddy. Take the stinky teddy. Take the stinky teddy.
So weird to see the bold bird. Jojo, we're getting you a new friend today. Yeah. His name's gonna be Echo, apparently. According to Mum and Nan. Hello, Jojo. Hello, Rosie. Hello, Rosie. Yeah. How's my favorite mohawk bird today? Yeah, good bird. Hello, Burbalicious. Hello. Sort of see his tail there. Hello. Aren't you a beautiful looking loot box in there? Hello. Gonna let Burby out, are you?
Hello. Hello.
Oh. Hello. Yeah, where you at? Hello. Oh, you're gorgeous. So what the hell just happened? Where am I?
I'm on the outside.
Hello. Ooh, climbing, are we? Hello. Oh, you're really friendly. Hello. Yeah. You sat on me earlier. Oh, it's so cute as a love bite. Yeah, you were sat on my shoulder earlier, weren't you? And we got you from your dad's house. I don't know. You know. They're nice. Yeah. Excited? And Joey. Joey, meet your new brother. I think he's happy to see you. I know I am. Hello, Echo. Oh, sorry. You've been renamed to Fred. Hello, Joey. Oh, what was that? Ninja burbies. You're not there, are you? That bird's doing his usual tricks. Joey's just chilling whilst Echo's being adventurous. Oh, very cute. Joey's being chased by Fredy. It's a high-speed bird chase.
It's like a manhunt.
Oh, you're not going to follow him anymore, are you?
Step up. Step up. Step up.
Hello, bird boy. You get him?
Yeah.
Neat.
What's in there?